Sun Wing has over 17 years' experience doing artificial hedges exports. We are in the industry with innovative, high-quality artificial hedges and plants. Our common goal, providing the most durable, long-lasting, and realistic hedges on the market. As a supplier, customers can do business directly without middleman. We make the largest range of artificial hedges, including artificial boxwood hedges, green walls, vertical garden, and artificial topiary trees and balls. All artificial hedges are designed to perfectly attach to any wall, and perfect for homes and businesses with UV-treated and tested plants for all works of arts. We now hold nearly 50 machines and more than 120 sets of molds, and workshop has about 10,000 square meters. At present, we have exported more than 50 countries: USA, UK, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Germany, and so on. We welcome potential dealers, distributors, or agents from all over the world. We have a professional design team that can accept customization. No matter where you are, we can customize the process to best suit your needs. Landscape architects work with us to design and build innovative artificial plantscapes. We offer one-stop landscape design, customized order manufacture and wholesale with artificial turf or hedging panels products. We are solution finder for landscape issues. All residential or commercial, indoor or outdoor landscape inquiries are welcomed here in Sun Wing.